In this video, I will show you how to make a progress bar on Excel. As you can see, the progress bar will update with new values. To do this, enter your current value and a goal value. In this example, our current value is 20 and our goal value is 100. Make the progress bar column wider. Click the cell you want the progress bar to display. Go to the top and select Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and More Rules. Here you can select the colour for your progress bar. Head to the top of the window and change the minimum and maximum type as numbers. Then change the maximum value to 1 and click OK. If you type a percentage number into the bar, it will automatically fill it in. Now to track a specific cell, we must enter this formula. Type in equals the cell with the current goal divided by the goal. As you can see, every time you change the value, the progress bar will update. Please leave a like if this video has helped you and subscribe for more videos like this.